If you want to know how to cook perfectly poached eggs every time with no fandangled experimental rubbish like spinning the water, vinegar, cook time, sort of pan, freshness of eggs, I had my eggs for over a week out the fridge, they weren't room temperature, perfect poached eggs every time, on everything, you're in the right place. It's Flavor Station, baby. All aboard! Choo choo!
Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Alright then, we're gonna need a biggish pan, about the size of your hand, half fill it, yeah, hot water.
Big up Chef Will, poached egg, on smash, excellent flavour. Now, biggish pan, grab your eggs, I've got 2 eggs here, fresh out the fridge, and they're not fresh in the fridge, they've been there for about a week, it's all lies, room temperature this, spin your water down, I'm going to show you the levels. No vinegar, you need a holy spoon, nice holy spoon, get that cracking.
Ooh, that's nice.
If you'll pardon the pun.
Now, you ain't getting a spoon like that nowhere. Yet. Now, you want your water on a gentle roll. I call it a gentle roll because that's about simmering. Now, this is a gentle roll. You see it there? Crack your egg, lower it in as softly as you can. Use a knife if you like, use a ramekin, even better. But I'm a G, I'm a boss. I can get as close to that water as I like. Drop that in there. I like to call that the little ghost whisper of the egg white there. Some people don't like it, but wait for the result, look, wait for the result. Oh my days. Second egg in there. These are happy hens, free range, you don't know, large. Old tight little.
Now all you've got to make sure is don't touch them for a while. Do not agitate them. They'll cook underneath and they will float on their own. They will lift up. You'll see in a second it will start bubbling around the edge. And the goal is firm white,
No snot.
gooey yolk.
Why not?
And you every single time, no measurements. Now see how it's starting to lift from the pan? It will lift. See how it's lifted off the pan? For reference, this is a good 3 minutes. 3 minutes in the pan, grab it out, give it a tap. With a spoon, it's still a bit snotty, back in. No timings, just watch it and check. Yes man, now, closer look. Soft yolk, you'd probably say that's cooked, but still got the snot round there. See it there? You want them perfect. Bang it back in. No messing. Now, look at this now. Cooked. Soft, you can see the yolks change colour a little bit. That gives it a nice rimmer round the edge. Now your second one, even a better example. Oh my days, excellent, exciting, extravagant. Done a cracking job, look at it. You just want to tap it and check it. Oh, the moment of truth, okay. If you followed it, every time you'll get that. Follow what I just did and you'll get that every time. Don't time it and don't panic and don't rapid boil it and you will get this beautiful soft poached egg every time. Bit of flake chili on there, smashed avocado, coriander, tomato. I got bougie with it. Jeez. I do hope you enjoyed that episode. Follow every step and every technique and your poached eggs will be perfect every time. So help me, oh Lord. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Do your thing. Peace.
Flavor Station.